mother. Most of them, they were single, widowed. The bishop would call them as widows. And they were up there at the age where all they were seeking was Jesus. I ain't got nothing against you, woman, man, and I ain't talking about nobody, please. But when you done put on them spike heels, yeah! And you ran here looking for a man. What you gonna get him to do? Rub Bengay on your He wanna smell some Pleasures Rap Laurent. Chantel, what is it? Chanel. Some sweet. You smell a camphor oil. Y'all don't know about that. Wintergreen alcohol. Supper egg. That were still a certain age, even though they were widowed, the Bible said, Paul said, don't even consider them to be widows. Because he knew that they still had a nature and they were still looking. Let me leave that alone. But what I'm simply trying to tell somebody, that our passion should be Jesus. We should be looking unto him who is the author and the finisher of our faith. But we get so preoccupied with mundane things and living in this world that we forget that we are just passing through. And that this life is not our home. The biggest lie and the biggest deception that we have is that we think that we got to get it all down here and that this is it for us. Oh, but you ain't seen nothing yet. See, the thing is that our mind cannot imagine a life without pain. A life where all tears will be wiped away. A life where there will be no hunger, or there be no thirst. A perfect life. And so we have been deceived to hold on to what we see down here. And what we have there. You said Fantasy Land? Y'all remember Fantasy Land? It used to come on TV. Oh, thank you, Fantasy Island. See the computer goes there. Fantasy Island. Yeah, y'all know. Whatever your fantasy was, Mr. Rourke would set it up for you. Ooh, glory. And whatever your fantasy is, the devil will set it up. But my God said, if you just seek me first, the kingdom and his righteousness, that he'll do what? Everything else will be added. Everything else will be added. So you know, what's wrong? How come I don't have a... The key is that he made the provision. He made the provision. And all we have to do is to walk in the provision. To go through the right doors. But life is always a choice for us. still going to go on trying to, what they call it, perpetrate the fraud. I know that's the old one. Are you still going to go on thinking I'm okay because I'm sitting in the church, jump rope. I'm a member. My name is on the roll. Your name is on the roll, but that doesn't mean nothing to God. Because a roll down here has nothing to do with your name being written in the Lamb's Book of Life.